Did you know that you can actually tag someone in an Instagram story after it's already been posted so that you don't have to delete it and re-upload it and then tag people? Let me just show you how easy it is. Hi, and welcome back to day 59 of 100 social media tips. There is always that one person in the group that will post on their stories, but sometimes they may forget to tag you and you want to repost it on your stories. So how do you do this? Let's break it down. So I have my story here and I forgot to tag people so that they can share it on their story. What I want to do is click those three dots on the bottom right hand side and then click add mentions. Here I can then go ahead and just search and tag anyone that I forgot to add before I posted, and then just click add. So the next time someone tells you, oh my God, I forgot to tag you, show them this. Show them how to do this instead so that you can then share it onto your own story. That's it. Like always, keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll catch you in the next video.